Hello, my name is Brehon Mills, and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. Well, not only do we talk about stocks and crypto, we love to talk about options, and we love to talk about great books as well. Listen, family, I hope you guys are having a phenomenal week, and I hope you guys are looking forward to a phenomenal weekend. As we continue building our generational wealth, putting ourselves in position to continuously build generational wealth, we must have a position in the cryptocurrency space. All right. Now, I just finished watching a video about the crypto billionaire. Guy came over here, had nothing, was broke, and just paid $69 million for an NFT. And the guy has $1 billion in cryptocurrency. He doesn't have a car, doesn't have no materialistic things. All of his money is still in cryptocurrency because he believes in cryptocurrency. He believes in the future of cryptocurrency. And so it's important that we continue to open up brokerage accounts that allows us to buy cryptocurrency. It's important that we continue adding and building to our cryptocurrency positions. All right. Now, one of the companies that I truly love is VeChain. Now, VeChain is one of those cryptocurrencies that will be supporting the supply chain management system. And this is just a phenomenal business. And one of the things that an example that I can provide to you is that, oftentimes when it comes to clothes or when it comes to tennis shoes, there's a lot of fraud, a lot of copyright infringement, a lot of trademark infringement. And so a pair of shoes come from the Nike factory and they're given a barcode that's been established by VeChain. That barcode is tied to those pair of tennis shoes, which guarantees the authenticity of those tennis shoes. The shoes leaves the factory, they go to a wholesaler, right? The wholesaler could scan that barcode and verify that these shoes is authentic. Then it goes from the wholesaler to the retailer. The retailer can verify the authenticity of those shoes. And the retailer sells those shoes to the customer. The customer has the same ability to scan that unique barcode for those specific shoes and guarantee the authenticity of those shoes. Now, I'm not saying that's primarily what VeChain is going to do as far as getting into the shoe business, but that's just an example of supply chain management. And so VeChain is in the supply chain management business, and this presents a phenomenal business opportunity. All right, I just want to talk about the technicals, and the technicals are looking wonderful. We were flat for a long time. Then all of a sudden, man, we've been on this nice bull run. All right. Anytime a position moves along this 20-day moving average, we bounce back to the 20-day moving average. We fall a little bit below the 20-day moving average, and we cross over the 20-day move with strong upward trend. Then we have a little sideways trading. Thus, this VeChain has been performing masterfully. These are the opportunities that we love. These are the opportunities that we want to catch because there's no sign of a reversal in pattern. It's just uptrend, come back, which is natural. Uptrend, come back, uptrend, come back. Every time we come to that 20-day moving average, it's like a springboard. We just bounce off of that 20-day moving average and continue moving upward. And this is just the hourly chart. Now, I do prefer looking at the daily charts when I really want to get a feel for what's going on. But man, this thing has moved so far away from that 20-day moving average that I need to zoom in and get a better look of how this V chain is operating. And we love it. Come back to the 20-day moving average. Hey, we're going to springboard to new highs. And when it comes to developing strategies, right, we could actually take a look at every time V chain moves a little far away from the 20-day moving average, right, it comes back. Now, if you know how to read candlesticks, we have a great sign here. We have a dragonfly doji, right? Inverted hammer. Then we have a downtrend back to the 20-day moving average. Here, you could have sold at the dragonfly doji, came back to the 20. All right, dragonfly doji at the top of an uptrend could signal a reversal in pattern. We had a slight reversal in pattern back to the 20-day moving average, right? Same thing. The dragonfly doji at the top or the bottom of an uptrend or downtrend can signal a reversal in pattern, and we had that, right? So we had one here at the very top. We had a slight one at the downtrend, and we off to the races. All right. Again, we have a hanging man candle here. Same thing. Nice upward trend. Hanging man candle. We coming back to the 20-day moving average, and this repeats itself over and over and over again. And so you could take this strategy and you can use this for trading. You can sell when it's at the high, buy back in at the low, sell at the high, buy back in at the low. All right. But as of right now, V chain is performing masterfully. All right. Now, you want to be in V chain, but when do you buy, right? You don't want to buy at the high. You want to buy when we are having a pullback. All right. So remember, when you look at V chain, pull up the 20-day moving average, hourly 20-day moving average. And listen, if you can't pull up a good chart with the apps that you have, download Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance allows you to pull up the charts, look at them on the daily, look at them on a 20-day moving average, and it is just an awesome app to have. All right, because on these apps that you have, like your Voyager app, Bittrex app or Binance, they really don't give you, good charts. All right. I'm speaking mainly on the mobile because 85% of people are buying and selling through their mobile device. Now listen, I'm all bullish on VeChain. With this type of momentum, we could be at 20 cent, 25 cent in no time. By the end of May, going into June with this type of momentum. Look at this, is strong uptrend. No, there's no sign, no signal that we are going to have a reversal in pattern. No sign, no signal anywhere. So let's get in where we fit in and let's make some money. Let's create wealth and let's do the things that we are destined to do, is create amazing memories, generate wealth to pass along to future generations. All right. That's what I'm all about. And I hope you are too. Listen, I hope this video added some value to you. Now, if it did, hey, please leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.